we live in a house that we rent, and it's a little fixer-upper. So there's a lot of things to do in the house. So while we're on lockdown, we're actually getting some time. So what's happened here is the paint that is used, you can't wash it. So whenever the food splatters, that's the word, all over the wall, you can't get it washed off. So we're going to put a backsplash on. Jady's going to show us how to do this. We got some tiles from my aunt, actually, that offcut tiles. That's wonderful. It's all we need to offcut. So if you can get your hands on offcut somewhere, Jady's going to show you how to cut them. So this is a nice job you can do at home, and if you don't know how to, you call Handy Family and we do it for you.
This is just a bonding additive that we put into the tiling cement. It just helps to adhere to smooth surfaces that you have, and it helps also with the waterproofing. So we just add it to the cement outside. So we just add a little bit to the cement, and then I've got the drill here with a paint mixer on the front, so that we can just mix it nicely. The idea with a paint mixer is to get the clots out, because if you've got clots in your cement, then when you stick your tile on, it tends to be uneven because the clot doesn't move away, it stays there, and then you've got uneven tiles on the surface.
Okay, so JD's done the first level. Now I was going to show you how he does the rest. And remember, this is all offcuts, so none of them are the same. The tiles are not the same size at all. And then it must still be grouted. It's not been grouted yet. So he's going to do the other half. So just tell us, how much do you put on? Not too much.
No, you can put a lot on if you want. So,
won't it drip down? Won't it fall down?
Yeah, so I just do it sort of 3/4.
Okay.
And then I press it on, because you've got the tooth on the other side that will even it out.
Okay. Okay, I see what you mean. Didn't cut through.
No, it's just a scorer. It's just that thing's got a scorer on which is similar to that. So it's like cutting glass.
Okay.
And then you've got the nipper, which breaks it, but then if that happens, this one all else fails, also grind. Okay, so we've made a smooth paste with some white grout, which we just smear onto the wall wherever the tiles meet. And then once that's done, we basically wash it with a sponge, which we'll show you as well when we get there. But I'll use a scraper, a big flat scraper, which is nice and flexible. And you just scoop it up, and there you go.
So for the people who have OCD, he missed something over there. You think he's going to pick it up?
I think my wife OCD, so she might pick it up.
I might. I'm like... Okay, so what will happen here? We'll leave it to dry for about how long?
About 15-20 minutes.
And then when it's done, do you take a sponge, then you just wash it off from there?
We wash it in.
Okay.
So there's two things that have to happen. The first thing is that you need to wash it into the tiles. And then you have to clean the tiles the next day afterwards.
Okay.
This is the second type of washing, which is the cleaning washing.
Okay, so you do the first, then tomorrow, when all is done completely, then you wash it off again. You clean it properly.
Yes.
Okay. There's still spots, you see. So don't worry about it. We're gonna paint that. We're gonna paint over that with a washable paint, so that if we've got any food splatter from the stove or the frying pans, that we can just wipe that clean.
So we've got a bucket with water, and then you've got just a sponge. And you've got the sponge full of water, and you squeeze all the water out as much as you can so it's damp, and then you wash it in.
You know what's nice about holding the camera? The fact that I don't have to clean.
Sometimes my wife's humor just astounds me.
It's already looking so pretty. You know, if you've been looking at vet kolle, what's vet kolle in Engels? Fat
Oil stain.
Oh, that one. And now you're looking at this, even though it's all like icky poo. It's so beautiful. What a difference a backsplash makes, really. So I'm excited. I'm excited to test it out.
morning. So today is the second day. We just need to clean up the tiles a little bit. As you can see, there's a lot of dust still hanging around from the grout, and we'll just wash it off with a damp cloth, and then once that's done, I'll do a sealant on. I'll put a sealant onto the tiles, which will make it waterproof. This is wood of 45. We use it for sealing tiles like these and in showers and that. So it's a water repellent. When you put it on, as you will see, it looks like a milky type of substance. But once it's dry, you won't see it. It doesn't have any sheen to it. It's not a matte. It just disappears with the tile. It goes into the tile. And it's a complete repellent, so when the water sits on top of it, it actually makes a bubble. It doesn't disperse into the tile or the cement. So we just give it a good stir, and then we'll just paint it on.
And JD is just showing you how you would apply it, and that's basically it. But yeah, this is what you can do with some offcuts in your kitchen. DIY 101 for everybody. It is definitely not for dummies. No. Right, so this is the finished product. And I had to do some painting just to make it look a little bit better now. We'll still show you how to paint and what to do to prep and get yours ready. Bye.
Bye.